Hi everyone, Reno Nadiandi here, and today I will share you how to create a morph animation in Canva. So I have two images here. I will change Iron Man to Doctor Doom. First, I will increase the size. The scenario is the Iron Man change to Doctor Doom. So I will place Doctor Doom in front of the Iron Man, like this. And then I will select them both and place it here in the center. And then I will change the background. Select the background and click the background color button, and I will click here, change to gradient. I will choose this circular gradient. Okay, I will crop this Doctor Doom from top to bottom like this. Just remain it a little. All right, and then I will add the element of lightning overlay. Okay, I will place it here, but before, because Doctor Doom is green, I will change it to green. Go to Edit, and go to Duotone, click Custom, and then change this black to green. Okay, I will change it to light green, like this. Alright, now I will reduce the size. I'll close it. I will rotate it. I will place it here. I will duplicate, place it here, and duplicate again. Duplicate again. So now we have 4. And then go to position, select all the lightning, and then group them. Now click this thumbnail view and the duration. Click this number of duration, change to 0.2, enter. And then duplicate, go on page 2, go to position, and then select the Doctor Doom element and crop it to the top like this. Okay, and then select this lightning, move it up to cover the edge of Doctor Doom, and then duplicate again, select the Doctor Doom and crop to the top and move the lightning up, and then repeat the step. On this page 9, select the Doctor Doom and uncrop to the top like this, and then select this Iron Man and crop it to the top like this, and then move the lightning here. Do the same steps until the last page. You can decrease the size. And then duplicate for the last. Duplicate and then remove this lightning. Now let's play it. So now you have it. If you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.